meet you up. Let's bring our camera down slightly. We're going to move on again today with a little bit more on our bow staff. Okay, now we're going to bring it slowly on with this yeast and give you a little bit more to add in, because we want to get you back, guys, back physically into the dojo to work with you, that we can help watch and correct any things you may be struggling on. Okay, so remember, just before we start off today, we're going to work on what's called a right hand dominant, which is a stronger hand, right hand facing up, weaker hand facing down, okay, on the bow staff. Now, we're going to work on what's a 5-point strike today. And you practice this slowly, and the thing with this is to try and get it faster and faster and faster as you do, okay, and we'll be bringing it into our kata as we work through it. Our 5-point strike is from this position here, and you may have worked an attack and we'll come back to here, and we'll go through this in a moment. And basically it's very simple: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what way does that work? We come in, up, down, across and back. That's our 5-point strike. So let's try that a few times to start off with, and we're going to bring it into our kata later on, and eventually we'll have to switch to our left hand dominant later on, and you'll be doing exactly the same: in, up, down, across, back on the left side. But for today we will work on our right side only. Okay, so remember, if you got a stick, piece of stick, this is really light. You can use a heavy staff. This is very, very light one. It's got a fancy silver and red stripes on it. Really looks good if you're doing it in competition, but anything will do for this. Okay, so our 5-point strike. I'm going to stand in front of you close. You can't not too far away. Right hand upside down, left hand pointing down. So right hand going up to the ceiling, left hand down. Okay, from here in front, we come in. The bottom of the staff comes in 1. So that's 1, 2, bring it up, strikes 2, 3 back down, 4 across, hits the opposite shoulder, and 5 back in. Let's go again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, from in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once more. In front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can eventually speed that up. And the idea of this is to get it faster and faster and faster yourself. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring our stance out a bit now. Not quite a horse stance, a little bit lower. And we go from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you've got a long staff, hitting the legs, to probably go for a wider stance. So keep it nice and high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twice more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At your 5-point strike, once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's try and switch that. Left hand up, right hand down. And we're going to go on the opposite side. So it's in, up, down, across and back. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twice more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, each time the bow staff just hits you slightly. And these are all blocks, as you can see. Let's go one more time, just how we do the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I watch it from the front, person coming in towards me, block it away. Okay, they're coming with a downward block, break. We want to strike back down on them. 3, 4, there's an outward, that's blocking to the side, as we can see. 4 and 5, blocking away again. These are all blocks. You're blocking away another staff, or that could be a hand coming in, you're striking them across the back, quite painful. Okay, so right hand up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or left-handed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try that twice more to the front, then we're going to put it into our kata a little bit that we learned from last week. Okay, right hand upside down, left hand facing down. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch hands, right hand down, left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, back the other way. Switch your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch the hands the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One last time. Switch the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other way. 1, 2. Haha, did it wrong. Sorry. 1, 2. I'm watching my reflection in the glass here. My apologies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got it. That's the worst when you watch your reflection too much. Put yourself off. So, let's bring that into our kata that we learned last week. A little bit of kata that we started to do. Okay, our hand was by our side. Remember, move number 1, we stepped to our T stance and we blocked down. Okay, so that hand comes up, it turns, the other hand grips, and we block down. If I'm doing it close to the camera here, this hand comes up, the other hand comes in, and block down. From side on, comes up, grips on, block down. Okay, so we step to our T stance. Ready? 1. From there, 2. Back up to T stance, 3. Step down, 4. Back to T stance, uppercut. That's it. Step out, 5. Step back to T stance and swipe down. Okay? That's as far as we got last week. Going on from there, as we sweep down here, we want to pull back in, out in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got it? So, we finished here, like so. Step back in, T stance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back out again. Nice and slow. From the start. T stance 1, block down. Out, 2, 3, back to ready, and 4, down. 5, uppercut, and 6, thrust. 7, up, 8, down. From there, back in front. A little T stance needs bent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2. Back up 3. And step forward 4. Back to T stance, sweep down 5. Out 6. Back up 7. Back down 8. Back in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's go twice more. I'm going to leave you practice that again for next week to add on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Little T stance, knee bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One last time. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, in front. Then we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. We got that. Apart from my few little bloopers in the middle. So remember, right hand up, left hand down. From here, in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each time coming back in. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And practice getting that faster as much as you can, okay? Each one of the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 basic stab blocks. Turn the hand the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the front each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Work on those. Bring it into your kata. One last time. Let's do this. 1, 2, O stance. 3, back to T stance. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Practice that as much as you can. Have some fun with it. We bring it on to switching sides, and then we get on to some ball twirling after that. Okay. Enjoy, guys. Come back on for the next tutorial, and we shall see you again soon. Domo arigato, sayonara.